Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Let's go with Whimsical Wednesday. Last night I prepared my ground beef tacos with a side of cowboy slaw. Oh, the tacos were good. I kept them basic, simple. I added a special little ingredient, which I'll get to in just a second. The cowboy slaw, like I mentioned yesterday, was something I've had on the back burner for several weeks. I was just looking for an excuse to use it, to make it. The cowboy slaw was really good. I made it a little spicy. Oops. But that's okay. I like spicy. One of the ingredients that's in the recipe is adobo sauce. Now, the actual recipe calls for canned adobo. I have never really liked canned adobo. So I did a little bit of research and come up with a recipe for adobo. It's actually quite simple. So I of course I used it in the cowboy slaw, and then I actually used it in the ground beef portion of the tacos. It was really good. Gotta love Taco Tuesday. Tonight, this is not an official culinary expedition visit, but we are headed to France. I'm going to be preparing a traditional French ratatouille, the diced version. I looked at doing the sliced version, but all the photographs I've ever seen and that I saw, which I can't believe, all of the slices of zucchini and eggplant are basically the same width. No. I'm sorry. All right. So I'm going to do the diced version of this. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to be serving it over pasta because it was actually, I saw it in a couple of different places as a suggested way to serve this. So let's get to it. Hardware's simple. Couple Dutch ovens, one for the ratatouille and the other for the pasta. For the software, pretty basic ingredients for the ratatouille: eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, carrot, tomato. We got some olive oil going on. This is extra virgin olive oil. I'll probably switch to pumice. I'm not sure. Okay, garlic. It's garlic day here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Thyme, rosemary, bay leaf. I'll be using basil and Parmesan cheese for garnish. I'm going with fusilli pasta to be the bed of the ratatouille. So here's all the goodies for tonight's traditional French ratatouille. Now, I was doing, like I said, I did a bunch of research on the sliced version of the ratatouille. Boy, when you type in ratatouille images, what do you think comes up? That wonderful little rat from Ratatouille. One of my favorite movies from Disney. Gotta love it. All right, so on this whimsical Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.